Hi, Seafood Bob, Reflex Flow Train here. Just a quick little combination. So let's say someone's going to go take a punch at you. You come with your left hand here. First thing you're going to do, right? One, right? You're going to go here, right? So you go 1, 2, right? 3, 4, 5. So first thing, 1, right? Move to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1. So first thing you do is you move over, hands go right to the eye. Flip it over, bring your hand in, slap your hand down, and then cover up here, hook, uppercut, hook. So that's simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, I'm going to come over to the side, up the middle, come in here, pump, hook, uppercut, hook. So boom, 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 boom. Another thing you can do, if somebody comes there, you kind of expect it here, is you're going to cover up and come here using your pen. So cover up, and you come here, here, here. Cover up, here, here, here. Using your pen. So a couple of different things, but the first part is you want to get offline, lower yourself, boom. You can do this with a punch, you can do this with palm, you can do this with fingers to the eye. Keep your chin tucked in, slap your hand, knife down, come in, right? Punch, like that, hook, uppercut, hook. Grab your pen, boom, boom, boom. Okay, so that's your self-defense for the day. Train hard, but safely.